Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the Play Store. Be aware because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can either do it right now or through the settings. We've got a separate tutorial in which I'm showing you how to do it. Alright, so we are in the Play Store. We can tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device, and here we've got updates available, so let's tap on it. So here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and they can be updated. So now all you have to do is to either tap on Update All and your device will download all of them, or simply choose specific app and tap on Update next to it. So it's completely up to you how you'd like to do it. I'll pick maybe this one, and this one. And as you can see now, your device will show them at the top, and it is right now downloading it, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.